Hello everyone, how's going everything? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own copyrighted image from an existing image. So let's start it. So first of all, what I'm going to do, you know, I'll create image by ChatGPT. So, and that's why I came here in ChatGPT DALL-E 3. But you can't upload an image in here and say that create a similar image. That's a problem, and that's why I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is like download a photo of it from Amazon. That's an image of what is called headphones. So I download this image and I upload this image. I'm going to upload this image on ChatGPT Vision. So Vision has a ability to see the image, and that's why I'm going to upload this. So let's upload here. Yeah, let's upload it. So and now here's I make a prompt and I paste this in here. What's the promise? The headphone name is, and I put the name here, and I said that now to create another image of the headphone by DALL-E 3, write a detailed prompt. And I say that I want the exit image output, like the exit position, even the color should be same. Okay, should be the same. Okay, let's hit enter. And now the Vision will give me a detailed prompt. And yeah, it's a detailed prompt of the image, and I'll copy this prompt all from the Vision, and now I'll paste it in here, DALL-E 3. So let's paste it here and hit enter, and it will create similar photos of the existing headphones. So let's see how is read 1, 2, 3. Let's start it. Okay, just a minute. Wait. It will take some time. You know that. Something. Voila! See the result. Amazing. But it's not perfect yet. But see, the image is really cool. You know, the output is really cool, right? So you can use this image wherever you want, and it's your image, and you can copyright this. So that's the thing that I'm going to share with you, and make sure to subscribe this channel for more updates like this, and you can join our Facebook group where I share my thoughts and everything. So and you can share your opinion and thoughts in this group. Like, here is the group, ChatGPT community. I leave a link in the description. So yeah, that's it, and bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you.